I would be shocked if you claim you haven't heard of Ariana Grande before. Everyone has. A worldwide famous singer and a millionaire, you must be interested in knowing her way of spending millions. Have you ever thought about how celebrities must spend their millions? What it would be like to be a millionaire, like the pop singer Ariana Grande? Let's find out and study some crazy facts about her millionaire life, putting aside her pop star life. When you are a millionaire, there is nothing stopping you from spending your life lavishly. Houses, cars, jewelry are just the basic things that you buy when you have money. But when you are a loaded millionaire with a net worth of $180 million, anywhere you spend them, it never looks enough. Your wishes keep on increasing and you want to fulfill all of them. What does Grande do with her money? That is what you may be thinking right now. So without any further ado, let's dig into some amazing facts of the life of this dope singer. Apartment. When it is about living, our celebrity loves to live in a royal, lavish place, which will be no less in any way. The apartment she shelled out in New York after getting engaged to Pete Davidson is a lush, as it is worth $16 million. The apartment is huge and will have you drooling over it. Consisting of 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, IMAX theater, and an indoor pool, this apartment is spread over 4,000 feet of area. Don't you think she's royalty in herself? Being an owner of such an apartment would only be a dream for someone like me. Something out of reach. Accessories. Like any other girl, Grande is into blingy, shiny accessories. And I'm sure any girl with money would spend a fortune on jewelry and other accessories. It's all about money. Starting from her diamond teeth, which she got and took over to Twitter to tell her fans about her expensive cuspid teeth, which are not really visible and weren't gaining any attention. And it has been heard that these kind of teeth cost you $4,000 if you customize them with more blings. Now, let's talk about her engagement ring, which is said to be worth $93,000. And it gained people's attention as much as it is deserved. That was quite a lot. But unfortunately, the engagement didn't last long and she returned it back to him. But then on her engagement to Dalton Gomez, she got an even more expensive ring worth $750,000 as it was made of 8-carat diamond. Moving on from her engagement ring, do you remember the locket she was seen wearing over the pink, feathery tube top in the music video of her song, Thank You Next? People loved it so much. How couldn't they? It was from Tiffany & Co. And when you bear the name Tiffany, you get the idea that it would be expensive. That diamond and pearl pendant was worth $3,500. We were all not just swooning over that for nothing. Don't forget about her iconic ponytail extension. Those are truly expensive as she doesn't go for less. Everything our pop star owns is very valuable. Then comes her cat ears, which will definitely remind you of her character named Cat in a Nickelodeon show, Victorious. Indeed, because she owns a lot of cat ears of a huge variety. Grande is indeed not over the cat yet. Wardrobe. Not only on accessories, Grande only goes for branded and valuable stuff. Her dresses, either they are for a concert, some party, or just day-to-day clothes, she doesn't go cheap. Her shoes are iconic and always the most unique. She likes to stay tip-top from her tip to toe. Her concert clothes are all from adult boutiques, which was even shocking to her because they are too expensive. But she pulled them off so well on stage that made her okay with wherever they are coming from. Her day-to-day dress is no less, as she was once caught by paparazzi camera wearing a Fendi jacket, which looked really cool on her, and it's pretty popular among celebrities because it sold out. The jacket was worth $2,890. Would you buy it if it was available? Skincare products. When asked about the secret of her glowing skin, the pop star addressed that she uses Dr. Lance's products. And if you search them over Google, you would know their price range starts from $45 to $450, which does justice with the brand's name attached to it. And when masks are concerned, she goes with the known La Mer Brennan masks, which comes between $30 to $40. Not just that, only 1.7 ounces of this brand's brilliant brightening mask costs $250. Grande does care about her skin a lot. Dogs and their accessories. If you're following her on social media, you would know how much she loves dogs. Grande owns 9 dogs in total, besides 1 pig. Their grooming, care, and ownership collectively cost a lot, an estimated